how to download Facebook Lite application. So if you want to download Facebook Lite application, then first you need to open up your Play Store and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. So if you don't have a stable internet connection, then it might take some time to download your application. So check that. And after opening your Play Store, go for the search bar on the upper side and then search for Facebook Lite. Once you've searched, here you will have your Facebook Lite application, right? So if you want to download the Facebook Lite application, then simply tap on install button. And once you tap on install, it will start the install process. So it may take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to download the application. And once you've downloaded, you can go to open, which is on the right side. And you can either create your account if you don't have it, or you can log into your account. So that's it. That's how you download Facebook Lite application. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.